Dear brothers and sisters, today's readings speak about being holy, being perfect. In the first reading we heard Moses telling the people to be holy. And they'll be holy provided they keep all the ordinances which Yahweh had given them. You may recall to mind that Yahweh made a covenant with the people of Israel of His fidelity and their fidelity. And therefore, Moses reminds them that they can be holy provided they keep all the ordinances, all the laws which Yahweh gave them through Moses. In the gospel passage today, we hear again Jesus telling us to be holy, to be perfect. In the context of one of the antitheses, it is said in the Old Testament that no law as such that you must hate your enemy. There's nothing as such that we hate our enemy. But Jesus goes beyond that. He says, if you want to be holy, to be perfect, be like my Father. My Heavenly Father loves all, no matter for which country, which nationality, which caste, creed they are, whether they are good or bad. He loves all, whether they are good or wicked. And therefore He says, if we want to be like my Father, perfect like Him, we need to love our enemies. Something, if you reflect deeply, is something is unnatural. As human beings, it is not possible, but with the grace of God, it's possible. On the cross, Jesus said, Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do. Jesus forgave Peter for denying Him 3 times, also Judas for betraying Him. So if you want to be perfect, to be like our Heavenly Father, let's try to walk in the footsteps of Jesus Himself, where He loved His enemies. Let's make an attempt at least to pray for them and to show in a way a good helping hand with them when they ask of us.